Hi, it's Darren Fisk with Forum. I hope this message finds you well as we move into the tail end of 2020, and what a year it's been. As you know, we launched the Opportunity Fund at the beginning of April, at the start of this pandemic in record time. It was created as a short-term vehicle designed to capitalize on the significant dislocations in the publicly traded real estate debt markets that COVID had helped create. Our strategy was to take advantage of the lack of liquidity to purchase heavily discounted bonds with a return target of 25%. Well, as quickly as the window of opportunity opened, it slammed shut. We were able to only purchase one Fannie Mae multifamily called the MCAS and have since liquidated that position for a 24% gain. Since the time of that purchase, we witnessed a strong V-shaped recovery that pushed prices to levels we couldn't achieve our target returns on, at least not without assuming more risk or having thesis creep. And as you may recall, we decided to return 50% of capital that we had called in July due to the lack of opportunities in the market. Throughout Forum's history, we have always taken pride and held true to being a strategic investor, not a capital allocator. As we stated at the launch of this fund, if we couldn't find suitable investments that meet our targeted returns, we would return investors' capital. Holding true to our original thesis, we have made the decision to wind up the fund effective October 31st. You will be receiving the remainder of your capital back plus the 24% gain on the capital invested on that Fannie Mae trade. Additionally, we have incurred $200,000 of legal, audit, and startup costs that are typically reimbursed by the fund. I have personally made the decision to absorb all those costs, so there'll be zero expenses incurred by anyone but myself. I do not have to do this, but I do believe this is the right thing to do. Switching gears, the Opportunity Fund came on the heels of our Integrated Income Fund that we launched in October of 2019. This fund had an opportunistic bucket, but was designed with an income-focused approach first. The fund was purposefully designed to have maximum optionality in terms of where it can invest in the broader commercial real estate market, with both liquid and illiquid real estate debt. You can find a more detailed overview and analysis of the Integrated Income Fund's performance in the investor newsletter, but we believe FIIF stands out as a superior investment vehicle, giving investors the ability to have current income plus an opportunity in our opportunistic bucket to take advantage of any distress that may lie ahead. With the windup of the Opportunity Fund, we are inviting all investors to join our Integrated Income Fund for our final close. If you decide to come into the Income Fund with your current investment or an increased amount, you will have the benefit of its performance to date and will be up a positive 9% thus far. In addition, we will be reducing the asset management fee on invested capital by 50% for you. This will go from 1% down to 50 basis points, as we have an obligation to pay our sub-advisor Janice Henderson their portion. Please refer to the investor newsletter for more details on the Integrated Income Fund, as well as a summary of your options moving forward and the key dates. Should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or our investor relations team. And as always, we thank you for your continued partnership.